I'm going for one run. I mean, can't say me, Jerome. Can I caption or can I caption? And I share a video and I'm present because I say Jerome. Can I caption? William, me got to now, Bruchiri. Me could, you know, Togo, my videos are the BM video. I make answer me, make one me a flash me. Make one me a flash. Me could, you know, for a whoop. As I'm a catcher was away, Jimmy, I'm a catcher away, Jimmy. Me no more to my haya. Me no more to my haya. Where Jimmy and my catcher was away, Jimmy, or haya. Me could dodge me through. Men could china baby, I will for them support you because Chrome had one ya casape. Na we show, and the way you bet you, and the way you be say, it's Yamiadum, Naya bridge for no mubieja, Yamisha bridge for no mubieja, Nina, Mubieja and so Yamis one by one. I bridge for no mubieja and support them. Mubieja Guamina, Mubieja Guam so, but make one me a plus, make one me a plus, maybe no better room. What Jimmy and Machahan was a way Jimmy. Me through me ko baby a o man na ya wodia untumi ya me hu na me wu a me nkosin sama kwan me wu a wo be wu bi me through bia difference na wo no me no wote aya na ma ka kire na me hu anim so a me fro no me ka te me video yi me mudi am abodi sa wo wu agimi enti na me ka kire nkofo bi so mo agimi enti I say nkofo bi akoye press conference omo press conference and say ayi also for Dag Hayward Mills, but can be BTL 2 for your press conference. We share video, and I'm going to come out and show money and coffee. We got the best room house, me means row, me means row, me catch those straight, me call baby, me be a live video, me call me, number some guys are wedging me, me did not talk about my son, Bagana, and my children, me did not say wedging me, me was salam down, one of my office war, wedging me now, and just Abraham, me can war, is row. Unim nipa omo ye den Ghana miss me nimbi o ko frɛ hwan ya miss me nim obi wo ho me no mo ye boot for boot awo krom ha o me nko ba bia apu TB Joshua 57 o gina hwan owu ye o afena metro mema ebe suro da mewu abobo dam kra ena me tia ye hwe ayi social media ni ade a ye say Ashanti youth akoye press conference say Dag Hayward Mills I can be BTO 2 for. Okay? Mam ka se me chome otun for me bu ne papa. Because Ghana ha ahemfo ni nyina enye otun for a enke ye culture no ayera. Otun for na tumi ma modern friends saying Indomie generation no omo ti culture na ase. So ye se otun for ma me ewu na ahemfo ni nyina pie na ye nyom like Ghanaian culture who say it is a display even Rollins a year cra your friend is saying Asantefono I mention for the by who say yes because on my be omunim culture biano some na yon my papa inipa bi omunim where they are coming from no omuni culture no so send the panel they are not going anywhere it me san your man na ya de bia me catch on say mo bia nko tun for asem because at least want me ya bibia obekuta baby no no promote ho no education a fund your set abebo ni party with the munja otun for no hold ho no na enkai for no sin your ma de ni aka no ba mo Ashanti youth for no ya say Ashanti youth obi aka asem bia for otun for ntanya mo de sa asem na nipa ka for otun for no me so anya me de asem na nipa ka for otun for no me so anya me de wu anya me de ba mo Ashanti youth for no mo ti Ghana ha mo kuro mo kwan ye Muntumi ye press conference and can't aban say Kumasi coin ye muti ho muntumi can't aban say aban Ghana ha gold ye to Ashanti region ye kwan ye and no ye hiamo mensia the baby otumfo wo Bisa Rasmus as I don't call Love FM hospital na wo ho no ye de to social media nkofo say enye Ghana because a young professor wants a side tomorrow mensia government hospital now you better social media no in be any pada in so turn a good hospital no mu muntumi ya press conference emfa pressure to aban so say aban ase wu sisi an dodo ase Kumasi ye hu ne akọ ase mu bu yan MPP ye to abama mo mobile ban mu a ye hu na mo ye man muntumi ya no ko transe okay press conference obi aka asem say John Krom onu na nsuo ni ho me na say John ma me be ye nsuo wo no school mu ho nsuo no ho me na me betu ye eno de muntumi ya press conference fix the country muntumi start mu own fix Kumasi fix Kumerica eno de hia mo galamsey say kuma ayi ensase e wa Ashanti region say nsuo na nse ohine bi kwose nsuo motumfo tu no youth no mutumi mba together say Ashanti youth ye ntim obi amese ya asase ni ye nsuo ye anso ye nipa ye galamsey be mining wo ha nti ye pese ye mining ye kuro ni ye tu gold na ye de bi ema ayi aba etu ho ma aba na aba de ye kwan man ye ma Chinese form be fire asase muti Kumasi youth ma Chinese voice ma afọ asase ase onyina ade cheve trust be kuro mu ye nkwase afọ kura ma me na me yesi mi suro apu me zero na mo ye press conference no asa me ni mu animu but me she na ni mu din kama bomudin ba ko mo ye nkwase afọ wajimi ena nyame na me de kasa be wiase afre me be hwehwe another way to replace wajimi me zero ena me to kan me kwatra bridge na fi there o yes be na to me nche na me ka kire wo ha ya sa wajimi unim nyansa unti ase ha wu unti ase a wo so betra Facebook na be didi matambi otumfo ye nyina egu no me hu se Ghana ha enkrofo bebre otumfo aka o madwen a kire no na omunya kwan ti obi kana obi ko like no obi ko share no obi untumi didi otumfo atem you will never accept it untumi didi otumfo atem ye nti ase but say na ye nti ase no santi na ye ku se memetin kran na da bia na me yi Kumasi kwa na me to social media hwe Kumasi hwe Ashanti region hwe school dan hwe say memetin kran na me ye say adwuma no e wo Facebook hwe school we hwe kwan ni ha hwe ha Uti Kumasi kwase Jimmy for to Kumasi wo de untumi nka ntra aban se yepa John Mahama na besi ke ayi friends ayi keje market to Kumasi why your campaign ato aba MPP wo ba wo kwan nyina na nsem ba Kumasi kwan nyina tutu unya ba bi mfa ene de untumi nka untumi ye press conference Ashanti youth nya ba together na mo ye press conference aban ye ntiase a aban ba be ye nyoma bebre amamu untumi ye wotu ye to abawie ya na microphone na Kumasi so mkosi John Mahama na osi aikejetia ebesi military hospital onwie ya no montumi ya press conference Akufo-Addo bewie military hospital no wotu ya kwaya press conference hwehwe nmu ne jimie amunye obi ma ne nka nkire mo jesa microphone tu kwan anso mo akọ mo adwen akire mo apu asa Ghana ha no wo boys am wo boys o bibia wo bia me wo bi eya bisa penifo na okuru ma no me asamba me ne efrem yo me ne obefrem yo me nsuro ka aka sa adwuma we ma 23 years ni come plus me ne bebia me nan si o wo ya me hwe mfa me nsuro mo ya nkwasiafo ma ka kire o munim press conference ya mo nko kan kire aban so onye Kumasi kwan yie Kumasi town roads time muntu men kan no munim press conference ya ko ka kire aban so mention government hospital ye When we are gold in free, when or two for young hospital in year, man, baby papa. When in press conference, ya, for Katire, Abayan, if he Accra to Kumasi Quine, Yan double road, Majimi Dodo, President Kufuor started Accra to Kumasi Quine, or ya bedu soon, President Kufuor free so besin, ye jack quine to her. Accident Bia Uben who Kumasi Biano, Kumasi Quine Subiano, na a bass back on the bass back on Omokusia, Adentia. Head-on collision. I don't think I head-on collision every day because quite nisa. And tobacco tifa na bebum na nipa 50 wu na nipa say wu. Moon to me ya press conference abain. If you Accra to Kumasi there, young double road. Look at press conference. Yeah na yeah. Otu for ye na ye bu no. Ba mo Jimmy. Jimmy and the Jonas can say Jimmy me catch a boni cron tiase. Sa line no Jonas you say na bibi yeme. O say Jimmy say me catch a boni say nipa Jimmy say on tiase. Boni be that tiase say Jimmy say obe that tiase. One of the bigger maternity home a champion see no 40 something years ago. Still is we see we move me here fix Kumasi, fix the country here today. My buying here no mama press conference obi a cancel me for 214 ye press conference. Munina youth no makam youth me say Ghana ha won open mu Jimmy youth na Jimmy champion for no. But want to me kan tell me say Ghana ha na ye wo no. Youth na ho nim nyansa chen otumfo obe de hu nyansa chen otumfo di 60 70 say so abro ye nim nyansa chen otumfo the wisdom na otumfo wono youth no mo obi youth na Jimmy Ghana ha ye de oman we ye de share youth na Rollins be president we di 32 only youth na ye adwuma for so many years that we Ghana Rollins be president no we di 32 no we did 32 years. Only youth, no, omu ye adwuma sa for 19 years na Ghana she youth nsa Ghana yen one da he Africa said the youth must rise, the youth must take over for 19 years na youth na e Ghana defense minister on youth defense minister on youth okuje to black on na de omu youth na Jimmy to say Ashanti youth no go press conference no munim nyansa wa Jimmy ka kire wonti asia koye video ni bi na didi matem na wonti nka say na ye plus no na ade cha mebe kumase utumi ye hu adecha bebe kumase mo da Ashanti youth ye to about 2016 me fin kan ba asanwase me na me gina asanwase wona be ye election observer me fin kan ba asanwase 2016 election me fin kan na me ba asanwase as an observer me be monitor ba mananado and na be try say we youth wa bodam we youth why bisa Lincoln so je need to so je ni kutatuo na Lincoln kutatuo ni wi munyina mu for na youth are youth wine me come adwen akero Ashanti youth so munim press conference ya munye press conference papa na nyina ye hu ade mpuntu baba wiase hiam ba ku sei hiam ba ku sei jimie mo am ko press conference mo na me ka kire mo so mo magimi men crow men who anyway am ka kire so wagimi mo am ko press conference no magimi tam mataba mo ka ho na mo press conference ni bi no mo start fix Kumasi at least samutumi ye deda na Kumasi Accra kwan no ye no double road a na beboa na mamu ndi agimi fo na chi o magimi adam ye nyansa bi enim ma ka kirew wonti ase a wu mo ne nyame ye adwuma bye bye.
Every radical fearless fight, radical movement. I am a nondescript radical reformer. Without fear, without favor, we say it as it is. And Sembia ni wa kwa so Ghana ye di anu tuma Ghana for any one dance yes ye kan kore ne se de tie. Bibia ni ho. Ene anya NDC for da wo mo se MPP na meye. Wo kina anya MPP for da wo mo se NDC atome. Ejamenya akoye santini de ye den ya wo mo gasa me NDC ni o, wo mega se NDC atome. Na nso bi hunu wo mo ne hunu wo mo kina se de asam ne tie sa an meka no. Yebe wi asam no mewo eye message ya Ghana force me fama na nado danko akufo na memuo eti me kadaki word mail asam no oni otumfo asam ni wi a na nado danko akufo the president of the republic ni ne man amemuofo no gabi o kire da ko no mo keka wonyina madaroma mewo bibi de mamo Ghana for na se me kan kire mo said ya tia sa meka no yede to me mam 2017 said ya tia sa na meka no mo antie mi a ehwo anim guase ne de to mo ewo eye ye kan sei 2020 abato no mo amuhuri we so said ya tia sa na ye beka no in fact efri na ekwakosi ebebe ne na watwe mienu so me ko another TV station tienie na sa TV station no so said ye jane tie ye dije kwatato ame ya tijana tum teta ye be hysere ejano ye de be hysere papa. Commanders are back onto the battlefield. Abroswa by a year first week of a year July. I'll be back in the media. May I now see TV Crown watch and Mumunya Botre. Yantwa Yankomoso. And Komobia cost so many years. Matrasia Basa McGinna home. Say, is it lack of education the people do not have? And I say, ye war education and now so, and I'm say, oh, here, abebrese abanintino. Sabi yan shababia asamne puma sibre mfansi. Ene obatia yase otumfo se tutu ana kumasi aye tantantan ana ayese ana kumasi ayese yenyina ayakabi eye pa freedom fighters fellow freedom fighters medema se some de kono ekọ ba bia yese ekọ ehu hia pa ha emre bia atwa mo kumasi ne friend garden city na wo fe papa etina nkofo susu se nkemre bi baba no kumase besa akọ nanim asantima be kọ nanim eho be ye fete se Dubai eho be ye fete se ye kan se UK eho be ye fete se ye Botswana eho be ye fete se ye Kigali ye friend say Kenya ene de ekeka ho na paniampa ni nuaneampa so kọhwe a tumi e wo kumase pa eso pa no se manfo na ni so de e yo tumfo se tutu ampa so tumi asopa no eti wesi so operate media bas antememu bia no a ye ba bia ye di me hu say freedom fighters your friend say abrantie ya ye so wodidi atem so me de mini problem bia wodete am friend say Twini Jonas Twini Jonas ana ba ku bi David one of the guys, the fair guy. There's another fair guy bia ono so wo Europe me hu so mani abrepa ko say emre bi ba bia na atwam ane friend Garden City ni gensa anya ni ye wakono dia me support mo yenye ni ye nemo mo dia mra mehwe se ba bia ye di ya ho oden no akọ gina na ho na ho oden na ese di ko gina na yenyina ya mra ne mehwe wo ye betimi ye dede ni nyina na nso ye nim dia mra no eka ye kokoden na nso ye kone kwa na akoyese ye di ese esi wo mu a ye ka no emra bia atwam wo way back before year 1472 na Ghana tumi ba akupe na ewo Ghana eni wiase afa na ye friend Africa yi na tumi ba akupe eba tumi a na the chieftaincy ana na ewo ho tienie edisi epese develop Asante Agona ni epese develop Bomfa Asante Achemu a de ese ya ne se wo hene ne jeje amanto tienie no de sa amanto na develop kuro no na gold ni hya wo hene ne nsanti etu gold ni bi o de develop kuro no na diamond ne hya wo hene ne nsanti diamond no ne adi o de kuro no na bauxite ne hya wo hene ne nsa na ensase ni wo hene ne dia bibia na ewo kuro mu ne yo hene no nsa ne hye etini ade da wo de kuro ne ye se bibia ankoye etochew ne ye ko hene ne ho ne ye ko akoka kire no anya tena wana 1472 kwasi buroni ba ye wose ya nananum nim nyansa tie nie me kire wa bakosam na ma kire wo enedi e koso nti a se me upese ode sobo obo obi a ma kire ba bia se ye de sobo ne kobo wa ba ye wose ya nananum nim nyansa ya nananum ni adwene etu wa ba ye no ode wono ne amamra a wo friend politics wode batare ye de no so se ya pa etu ko hwe eye the rule of the kingdom time omo fa Ghana say a British colony no na the hierarchy of authority the hierarchy of authority na the queen or the king of England and number 1 tieni o me kire wade bi na ma kire o de ntia o politicians in dem aka kire o say eda Ghana fo bete de ekoso wo Ghana ase no there won't be peace in this country tieni Queen Elizabeth ko de dada esa kiasi sambara no me ba be kire wade the king or queen of England was the top hierarchy when the colonial masters were there tienie ofri so anu aba governor general no na no wote Gambia na wo hwe the colonies of the British hierarchy British colony on na hwaso nyina ansa na ofri wa aba the colonial office eno na Gorgesburg mo se Alambans mo Makati mo na wo mu ediso tienie the hierarchy of authority tie mamenka ma wonti ase ewiase afa na nyina ba bia ni wa ye wo 2 realms of leadership apart from Africa tienie yaka yesi Dubai ayefe Dubai wo mu ni 2 realms of leadership Dubai wo 1 leadership and so bedru Africa bedru Ghana ye wo 2 realms of leadership. I'll bring you there and I will explain it to you. Kwasi broni ba ye no or the unknown leadership eba betare ye na nanom de na pempem edi tuo agyan ana se wo mo se munye de ye kanentum tienie wo panimfo no ye wie na se oboro wo mo a memo abo wo mo papa na mo hwe buku ye chi sa buku ye ho sa buku yi wi ameka ho asem a kire wo etina ufri Queen Elizabeth the king everyone now for what governor general na na British colony ni nyina so Gambia Nigeria Ghana ase uwi ansa no aba colonial masters the Gorgesburg the Alambans ni wo mo keka ho ansa no aba secretary of state ni o the hierarchy of authority it is the decision bi ba ya de baba free Queen Elizabeth ho na besi governor general so na ba governor so na ba in fact colonial office na ba governor general secretary of state provincial commissioner district commissioner district officers and son ahemfo naba tirie womo dadwene wonhunu said the ahemfo was the power and the authority of the people and so womo do womo be share last and bad decision making ahemfo no mo ni say It is Wahini Bibaje, ne man for man to a. Na British for the trio, a sin so, a one a chi. A catcher and says, 1 year, ye be 2. Tienye, me betchero. Fast forward. Ya, near G freedom. Every Quasibroni some. And yes, Quasibroni swan hon one co. Quasibroni cono, or ya smart. Dear Kwame Nkrumah Mubaya, ya, woman say Mwamono, eh? Kwame Nkrumah Mubaya Musomo, I'm a Mutua, Memoa, a Julius Cambarara Nyerere, a Kenneth Kawuna, a can say Samora Mase, Thomas Sankara, Kwame Nkrumah, woman no munya the burden of the white man, the colony, no. Womutu womunina to guye, Tienye. Etubakaya Kwame Nkrumah besi no nim the ahemfo, no nim womutumi, it will use ahemfo to govern the country. And so still there are no possible any person who is into Washada and Crophobi or Ghana ha our more believe so more British than even Queen Elizabeth. It's possible this son in Yamako Yanaki your formulate a constitutional, okay? Constitutional. Now Sanki as son say. Now you're here for no which is the direct source, the direct power of the people, no. They are no longer going to be under the hierarchy of authority. Nemo mi yebemba wamu baby ashe. Now so ready the only thing that changed was that there was no influence from Queen Elizabeth. Now baby ana Governor General and I want President Kufuor. I want President Kufuor babe try as president. 2 realms of leadership. Medical culture say Africa nkwa ne wo 2 realms of leadership. Udu Dubai hene woni president bi atare na pempem who makes decisions for him. Udu sebi Botswana ye baby ahemfu your friend say Queen Elizabeth woni president bi atare na pempem will make decisions for him. It baby a kingdom wo bia no yemfa president entare kingdom na pempem. Queen Elizabeth nim sebi oti we akwaya ni tinu sebi your friend say Boris Johnson to me take a decision back with Elizabeth. Now so ye dey ntesa said your Bronija and san ye afa ye free president ye baba ministers power of authority na make an tell ye free president ye baba ministers ye baba MPs ye be kwa kodru district chief executive yakwa kodru even KM boss ansana him for naba na afa tie bibi wa hey me be ka bibi a kire wo MPP yes o tun force atutu one canoe when developing crow and yet to God who was in Nankanya, near Kakotum for Sabi or 2 way, may make us and Yachra and become in the Mecca. And now no question there toss baby and Sanam to 2 for 20 minutes and 8 come on. Now Osha said, why Yawa no de Casa, some Crawfordia Bonti, a blame one no, someone developing the mind. Now so a mine and a mamma and why Yaya Jatuno, Sanet here, so ultimately. Tienye. Embrano ye nyina ya gia tum se no ane afanya mambrano emo tumfo ansa gu nachi ontimi nya hwe edimi no bia no nyina ase apeso tumfo ye bibi dia afa ye ntie ne sa nwoma we ye friend Constitutional Review Commission. Constitutional Review Commission no make recommendations be on the 11th of January 2011 Professor J.E. Mills set up Constitutional Review Commission. Say omonfa eyensem mmra na 1992 Constitution wa menu bia no nyina friend J.J. Rawlings Constitution no yemra mesesa na afetie omo the recommendations by yemusa na Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo the President of the Republic say Constitutional Review Commission for report na wa hefa Yemusa na Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo the President of the Republic says Sabona was share year 2008 say oba obesisa Ghana mamra 1992 Constitution which is written in red and black, in fact white and black in this Constitutional Review Commission report no e wa hefa Yemusa no otumfo se tutu nya ya ka santeman ko be ni ye pa me ka kire open nanso enam ya mamu anu ayebuo no ohun okoka sese ya wonu awase o NDC ni nu awase o yeso ye fu soldier MPP ni nu awase o yeso ye grassroots person no sebi o enam se ye ti bonkoso nti otumfo nko bie na no nka sem sese a anya MPP damba be twa na pa so ye NDC adwuma anya NDC damba be twa na pa so ye MPP adwuma eti de akoso no eye ne ya pa na so aka na no atum Obatia yesi yetu God wobwase yankosha mmara no aga na ye nyina ye gitu mu se ye di tu God wobwase nya hwese God ye bi ko asante ayemfia ye kokko bisa Constitutional Review Commission make say se ba ne sese bio ye bebu mra ye de oman no ye beye bibia fa ho a anke ye tu God wo obi kro mu a se de beye na ke betimi build the locality anke ye ma a portion of a yes resources no near for develop sa locality near kokko busa na na de kokko for de na mamuofo se sa resources no ma giatum o mo de ko o ti am say eti freedom fighters mu betimi afu me se me ka kire wo pen se me ne na natumfo se tutu trase di nkomo na me hwe na nanim ne se de wosi kasa na nakoma mu wonyaaya nko betimi develop ne man pa na enso enna mamamra no ayedeka obi beka se otumfo se tutu otumi se nko betimi aka se ne gold ni nyina akora me entubio ampa wo sa tumi no ebisa na sase no na enso won pese wo kire mo ba beka kire ne se wo yetumfo wo dwen se hwan oye hwanya wachina wono no nku ati ho se ni gold ni mientu bio ana say o ka kire say what of royalties ko bisa say royalties na ye how many percent na betimi ayede ai eye ni ye kan ye say anya si etu gold wo oboase a yemfa 15% or 20% ma eye oboase ahemfo no na nko fan develop oboase locality say ye tu oyo e water krade yemfa 15% ma eye ahemfo na wo eyi takrade no no mfa develop your locality and ye hwe no omonya dia then we can come back and discuss it. Every say you free to gold wo oboase from eye 19 kojo ho Kwame Tebebre so from Magna Carta Libertatum na ko hwe oboase ene said oboase tie na say ye mo fade a ene sa na tie se go tumfo se tututu e won dia se bi o wonim nyansa ade afanya ne fe enso koka yese ana otumfo se tutu sori a no de ngodu agu ne nsa se bi mo amamra no amokoje tantantan no 1992 mudi bu oman no a emma ne kwan ma ne nya hwinti ka se bi o sori an ko hye boto ana won hye boto won gold be gugu ne nsa won ntuma be fra no wa keep the cultural heritage of the people a edini si ho no o ma begu o manimu ase nanso tumi bia ne wa wo se obeka se bi o gold no omutun wa han mo mpa bi okay obetimi aka wachiro tumfo da sori a wose gold no efri na de komia na media mma mutu bio woni bia besi Ghana ha eni e wana takrade western region ahemfo so sori ye anom se eni oyo na efri na de ko enam se mun develop no mutu bio ya ba isi region wana ayi awachehene ne nkrofo sori ye se eni efri na de ko bauxite ne ho aman no eno so yemam kwa ba mutu bio no aman ne ko ya na ye ba etu waye din wo hwe din se anka politicians no a woto abama o mo na esi hodi o mo accountable wo mo jeje wo tax etu gold ehunu gold ni mu nsam wa banyina no anka mbe hodi wo mo eye responsible na so mo ye ni na mo dia bedru na ahembobo ano yesi kejetia market otumfo se tutu kokabi kokobisa wo mo die si ye kokobisa yesi kejetia market 8,000 stores Nana kachire wo mo from bra wo mo ba yeso mo ba be sikejetia market se me manfo no a wo mo te wo no mo ka kejetia fo no mo ya ba be 1,540 meboa eti stores no a mo se mo be si ni aba be 8,000 stores dia 1,500 and something okay mo nchochoro wo mo din mo nchochoro mo din otumfo se tutu kai kire wo mo se mo nchochoro wo mo din na nyenye bia no wo mu wi anka san microphone mo bi mu wi ye mu ko eye the other side of Central Market eno so mu ko kan wo mo they were about 4,000 plus eti kaye kan wo mu nyina bom no about 6,400 eti ka uti free mu 8,000 stores there would have been a remaining one of about 1,000 something no too for catch am say mu choro nipa ni di wi a yesi stores ni wi a san microphone kro no amomo mo kwan amomo mamaji stores ni bi dia beka kire no afa mo nchema mo KM fo no ne mo amka ho ya kasa wo mo si wie ye mo chema wo mo ankasa wo mo ho ama nipa no kura no na enu 8,000 wo mo anya bi enso otumfo ye de koka wo koka sesia ya besuma full soldiers fo ya besuma grassroots fo aba betwe wo manu asi ho atwa na da pa atwe pia so wo ye NDC ana wo ye NPP adwuma dependent on who it goes in favor. Ena no ye ka kire mo wo ba be gina podium yi wan kan kire mo se galamse ensem aye kwa aye ba nyina mu nyina mu ni mo mutu galamse no wo ye de koka wo koka mu betwe na da pa sabi wo tuwe wo ma santeman na so ko to ma Ghana nyina enso akoka ye nuanu mo afiri ba fufuro ba betwe na da pa so otumfo odwene so ye hwan ya enso da bia no mo pese ye develop ya santeman ya na mo de ko otumfo abobo ano mesre se mo pese otumfo develop ya santeman dia amamra no you make sure say you be force the politician. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, the president of the republic, say in 2008. I hear debate say obehwe amyasa 1992 constitution no momi anhyase akoni ko bisa say president akoyi say sa buku ese wa ho mede be ya adwuma bu okro mo obi abegane me ka kiro pen nye pen fa from 1990 besi na Gordonsburg pensu besi na amemo na ye bo yanse sa hwe medical ka kiro say nkrofo a wo mo ewo Ghana ha wo mo de di Ghana so they are the new colonial masters. The only thing that is different skin color. Eti masre yebetimi atena wa ye tobe ni nyina ana otumfo se etutu and won develop Kumase ana otumfo se etutu ana ni Kumase ayetan ana yi tobe afede ana na igbe memu ayetan ana takurade ayetan ana Eastern region ayi ekropon hene ne wayetan yebetimi aye ni nyina nanso yamfo so nkrofo am wo man sesa sa amamra no a eye kwasi buroni gya ye omodentu omaba betena ho edidi no a. There are two realms of leadership. There is political leadership and there is traditional leadership. Unfortunately for Africa, unfortunately for Ghana, the political leadership has so much but very little to give. We expect very little from the political leadership. Meanwhile, they have our taxes, they have our gold, they have our natural resources. They take decisions for us day in, day out. And a traditional leadership also, they don't have anything, but we expect so much from them. Too many apart from very few people who said you are so immoral. Traditional leadership, no, are so immoral. Say I am for Bukruma, Bebre Muomo, Yaton Sassini, Yatomani Pamiansa, near Tome, near Omu Guomo when you must say, I am for Guomani when you must into do any woman to know. Or maybe say they can do something. I am for no one can say told you more. So to one say you are here, why do you know Pana twice as many Pabako, a too many Pamianua, and to why dream a power, what did that catch on anything? One another free to Nomotons as him, you and some uncle for, we are the Paponefo, and so now for a goodness, I would and I would your munya. I can bet you honestly, apart from Ensase, I am for the Sabio border was as in Mukranomodia, Diamond was as in Munomodia, Manganese in your media, Bauxite in your media, royalties in you to Tobidia, and they come on the tongue to my frau. And when you follow Picro, Ampani Ampani, say a 15%, and my Otum force of any developer Santa Maya, and you bet me a quadruple credit be developer Santa Maya, Nacampese, a do baby, you decide 15% nothing. Let me know be yes, Kumasi must develop, that one I believe it, but Otum force cannot do anything. Kumasi must develop. Why are not going to so back can be CIA, the chaos of Ghana, one panasa, what you when you tomb for 18 wire D. I walk home. Every night, the Quadaki word mills, say, wouldn't you want? Mesrawa, baby, I saw do I never also for that word mills, Ghana force me Musa said. Sir, I sorry, we also did tight you. What did you quite supreme for every Sunday? Wada Romao, your friend say, Roman way, Wamobaya, Wamujiji. Yehunu Augustins, Yehunu St. Peter's, and the Eka Methodist for buy a Omija taxi, a collection be Yehunu Fantepim, Yehunu, your friend say, a Methodist school, she be Precas Wesley girls and also Wadaroma, Usukuno, and here for some person Kobe, our hay. Also, just said you disophone, yeah, that's a sauce mine. And yes, of Udianis, what to apete Precas now drive a casa, Cassia. Was so for bebre impacted in the society positively. What would the Anusabi also could know here for? Who could see university cry here for it to be binko? It was for their work and mentiasia. Otum forced to some random man who quite obey me a developer Santa Mai. One so free J taxi, one free J tighty, a free J collection, young taxi with that. Ghana knew Sikabiada. Sika what dear, so for Wadaroma, Yabisa, Sukuno here for Nibekobi and what the other one here. And I don't cover the buy your friend say, Papa, Maker's House Chapel. Papa, your friend say, Dr. Wedding Yamiche. Say, Dr. Wedding Yamiche, the dear Nimu, a cast as your one name crop for a chin, your name, and for a Biakawo, San Papa, and they will cast or two for 2. One developer sentiment, can't no man for a commodity no more dark mom will be a Kodash Chapel, and see one year. Suku no was your man here for a patch of a list and Branian Kobe. osofo ewo musa mpaniampa ahemfo ebetimi a develop yama mmara no embo mo kwan no mo develop wo wudie emra na entaxel wo wudie emra na ma kwa mo agi sika titiri die from nanti kodwo ho kwa me tababra so besine enso ye hunu de ode aye apart from building big churches also wadarma eti free na de ko ye nyina ye hunu say we have a role to play but emra na ma ho kwan a ana ahemfo no ebetimi aye me did do ka de chef for mensa me yasantini people now so sabi mama be defended because me yasantini me yasante aguna yokohene me yasante yoko piesie ka chire otumfo na piesie me na me yeketu akora wo mu enso mama me defended because me yasantini me ba be ka no kora nsa de tie umpeu se to be fa de betimi adi develop egbememu a emra ne ma ne kwan ma ne develop se ochehini betimi adi develop ochehini ende ebi amekan wo muntie ebizende wo mo ewo faase ane wo so ane ebi obo ka bibia ebeba joma ama wo so na achem development bia nko eti mumma kwan ema mmara no ema ahemfo no enya adwuma apart from that dede ni abaya na politicians if hu die sika medical ka kirebo until we understand what goes on around us nothing will change in this country Medido Katache Kwame Vifomensa. Still, I remain the Bombardier Field Marshal Squadron Leader Ranger Buffalo Royal General Kabaka. Medical Kachino say a free a year first week of July. Echo. You be BJB. Meko TV station be. Menya Elmoso. Baboso. Baby a margin yamunina yaho. Baby a margin yamunina yaho. Kachiro pay. Opa. Kobisa wo media stations ni nyina wo bia no medi nkomasi media station bia wo Ghana bia a wo so odimu bia no medi nkomasi na so matwusu ba ko bi am pesem koye adwuma ho and I have my own reason me wia be ka kire mo share me next week I will open the fire me da se otie me otwede ampokwa me tete kwa form abasafo yi adom no o nshiro bibia se otie no kure bye bye.